everyone, so ignore the lighting, it's not going to stay like this the whole video, don't worry. So today I'm going to go Christmas decoration shopping, and I thought I would vlog it a bit and then do like a decorate to my room for Christmas kind of video. So yeah, I thought this would be a fun video. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. But yeah, I'm running late.
Good afternoon customers and welcome to Tesco.
Wow.
Thank you for shopping at Tesco.
So see if I feel like if I get
Later, 250 minutes and 5 minutes.
I want some fairy lights too, if you have any. Well, I could put these in the... Maybe we should have got basket. I like this. We have nutcrackers, but they're good ones. Maybe I'll just buy a wee nutcracker. So I'm back. It's actually a different day. I'm sorry about the lighting again. Basically I have these like lights at my mirror on my desk. They're like white lights, and I thought I could use them in this video because obviously it's dark, but they're really faulty. I bought them off eBay and they don't really work. So I'm gonna show you first of all what I bought, then what I have as like other decorations that I already had, and then I'm gonna decorate and you guys are gonna watch me. So the first thing I bought was this Christmas tree. This is all from Tesco. So I bought this Christmas tree. I thought it was quite nice. That's the reason I went to Tesco, because I'd seen this before. So nice and sparkly. Also like the theme is like silver, basically everything's silver. Then I also got this wee nutcracker. It's like a tree decoration, but I'm gonna hang it up somewhere else because it will look kind of weird on my tree. And yeah, basically they had like a big nutcracker which I really wanted, but it was like £5 and this is £1.50, so I was like, I'll just get that. And I also bought some lights. So I got these like wire lights. I wanted to put these around like one of the shelves, so they're too long. So I don't know where I'm going to put them. I'm going to have to figure out. I don't know if I should put them on the tree, but I have other tree lights. I also bought these lights. They're just like normal white lights, but they're really like not bright at all. So I don't know if I want to put them on the tree either. So I'm really struggling with my light situation, I think. Usually for my Christmas tree, I have like multicolored lights, but I think they'll just look a bit weird because everything else is silver. Now we'll go into the other stuff I have. So I obviously have my advent calendar. I've eaten day one because it's December 1st. How exciting. Yeah. My advent calendar. Then I have some baubles for the tree. I think these were from Primark a couple years ago. I also have this bow to put at the top because I don't have a star. Then I also have this wee sign that just says like how many days till Christmas it is. Thought it was quite cute, might put that up somewhere. Then I have my tree, obviously. I haven't sorted it out or anything yet, but it's kind of ugly, but it works. I also have some tinsel. And I found like a new pack of tinsel. I don't know who from my family bought this, but I guess I'll be the one who's using it. The last thing I have is just this wee like ornament, which I've had since I was really young. And it's like a wee teddy bear with a tree, and then it's got a tree inside. I just thought it was kind of cute, and because I've had it since I was little, then I would put it somewhere. So I think that's everything that I have. I bumped my mouth earlier on pizza, and it was so uncomfortable. So, I'm going to start with my tree. You're really unstable right now, you're like balancing on a chair and it's kind of giving me the fear with it. So usually I put my tree up here, but it's really cluttered, but there's not really anywhere else that's like a good space to put it. Unless I put it on my shelf, but no. This tree was always downstairs in my house, and then one year I just took it and was like, I'm gonna put it in my room. But none of my family said anything to me, so I just presume that no one cares. Obviously it's not like our main Christmas tree. Like, this tree kinda sucks. Bit tangled. Bear with. So I'm gonna put the lights on the tree next. I actually don't know if these lights are gonna be long enough. It's not exactly very bright. I'm now gonna start decorating with my baubles because this tree looks really sad. Okay, so this tree kind of sucks. I'm just gonna leave it right now. I might end up putting the other lights on, like the coloured ones, or getting another set of lights maybe, because this just looks kind of bad. This just looks... I think I'm gonna put my advent calendar up there, but it's a bit inconvenient to reach every day. Yeah, no, that's not happening. I think I'll just put it right there. I'm gonna put this up there. Does that look good? Let me just... No. So, change of plan. I think I'm gonna put the Christmas tree here. But the thing is, I usually have like flowers at this bit. So if that is the case, then it'll have to move. I feel like this is possibly a fire hazard. I had to change because it's so hot in my room. But as I was saying, this video really sucks and it's kind of put me like out of the mood to decorate, to be honest. I'm just kind of disappointed, you know. I don't even know, to be honest, what I'm going to do with this sign. I think I'll just hang it on one of my wardrobe doors. I'm going to put some tinsel up there. Wow, okay, that actually looks really good. It's definitely going to fall down. So, my vision for the other lights is to put it like at the top of my wall. So I'm going to attempt to do that. I don't think I really thought this through. I'm going to just put these up here. Oh, I think these are actually going to be too long. I feel like this is going to look okay. Wow! I'm just such a genius. This looks so good. I'm going to end this video here. I don't really have any more decorations. My room doesn't look that great. I'll give you a wee overview of it in a second. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you think it sucks, then I don't mind, because I think it sucks too. I'll see you guys in my next video.